Jimmy Baruku orukura ofisi ya Commissioner of Ministry y'Ebyobuhingi n'Oburisa ajwekire Minister Kano Bright Rwamerama omukutongozaho ekibina ky'abahingi b'omwani ekibanda Golden Cooperative Society kandi omubutumwa bwa Minister ayorekere oku ministry egi erikwija kuhwera Cooperative Society egi okukiriza ebigendererwa byayo.
We talk about increasing coffee production. You have talked about seedlings. We talk about marketing, value addition. We are talking about support for washing stations, machines.
Cooperative Society egi erimu abahingi barikweshumba omuri runana kuruga omuri Ibanda hamwe na Kitagwenda districts kandi eri hansi y'obureberezi obwa Northwest Ankole Diocese.
If you want to do good trade, join a cooperative. Health, social inclusion, these are things that come with cooperatives. So, if as a country we are short of certain things in health, job creation, social values, social inclusion, then it is the best time to join a cooperative.
Omwani obyaro kuza kufanchaka hakanyo witari mwana kubyabire nkaga 5 ndakazirwa ebitu by'omwani biriyoni biriyindinga omwani ushanga umuntu nahe waturisha ras.
Bishop Amos Magezi nagirango kigendererwa ekyo kutandikaho ekibina eki no kubinga obworo kurabira mu kukanyisa obwingi bw'omwani hamwe n'omutindo gwagwo.
Namazima twakitongoza nk'obureberezi konkanisha madini bona abantu abakutekatekero mu madini hati mu musigire nyine abo kuba entunguka terukuronda dini entunguka tekuronda Ruganda entunguka tekuronda kigombe cyo gutegeki.
District y'Ibanda etwireneshaho za tani z'urukorenga 150 ezo mwana gusire buri mwaka. Gashakwa Timothy Mushabe.